How to reset your TalkTalk password. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can reset your TalkTalk password if you have forgotten it. The first step is to open up any web browser and head over to talktalk.co.uk. On this web page, click on the My Account option. Once you click on this option, it's going to take you to another page. On this page, you have the login portal. Normally, you have to enter your email address and password in order to log in. However, if you have forgotten your password or you just want to reset your password, go ahead and click on the Forgotten Password option. Now, step 1 to reset your password is to enter your email address. Once you do that, click on the Verify Account option. Now, an email will be sent to you with the verification code. Enter that verification code. Now, you get to create your new password. Go ahead and do that. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can now log in using your new password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.